How to start a keto diet for beginners in 2021. A keto diet is an eating plan that focuses on foods that are high in healthy fats, moderate in protein and low in carbohydrates. Potential benefits of the keto diet plan include weight loss and fat loss. In this video, we will go over 6 tips for keto success. Number 1. Get familiar with your daily macros. Following a ketogenic diet necessitates strict adherence to your macronutrient intake, especially carbohydrates. If you want to lose weight, you'll need to keep your calorie intake down. Once you've determined your regular energy requirements, you can set macro targets based on them. An example of a keto macro ratio is carbohydrates account for 5% of total calories, protein accounts for 25% of total calories and fat accounts for 70% of total calories. This particular macro range is designed to induce ketosis and trick your body into burning fat instead of sugar for energy. High-fat, low-carb foods such as eggs, poultry, dairy, and low-carb vegetables, as well as sugar-free drinks, should be prioritized. Keep highly processed foods and unhealthy fats to a minimum. Number 2. Begin slowly. Consider starting slowly and progressively reducing your carbohydrate consumption. Start with 1 carb-free meal a day, then 2, and so on until you can go an entire day without eating carbs. It's important to consume a variety of foundation vegetables to ensure that you get all of the vitamins and minerals you need, as well as fiber. Kale, broccoli, spinach, asparagus, mushrooms, and peppers are examples of nutrient-dense, non-starchy vegetables. Another advantage of eating whole foods and gradually reducing net carbs while in ketosis is that it helps you avoid setbacks, hunger pangs, and cravings for processed foods. Number 3. Make a meal plan. Meal prep is when you prepare ahead of time what meals and snacks you'll consume. Depending on your schedule, you can either plan your meals ahead of time and prepare them on the day, or prepare all of the meals ahead of time, freeze them, and reheat them later in the week. Whatever method you choose, meal preparation is an excellent way to ensure that you stick to your diet, particularly on days that you are exhausted. Number 4. Increase exercise. Increasing your exercise levels can help you achieve your weight loss objectives. Regular exercise while on the keto diet, on the other hand, can help you reach ketosis and transition to a low-carb, high-fat lifestyle faster than you would otherwise. This is because, in order to enter ketosis, your body must eliminate all glucose, and the more frequently you exercise, the faster your body uses up its glycogen stores before turning to fat for energy. Number 5. Decrease stress. We understand that sometimes it is easier said than done. High levels of the stress hormone cortisol can raise blood sugar levels and interfere with your body's ability to enter ketosis. If your job or personal life is currently more stressful than usual, you should postpone starting a keto diet. You can also assist lower stress by getting plenty of sleep, exercising regularly, and experimenting with relaxation techniques such as meditation or yoga. Number 6. Have patience. It's unlikely that you'll enjoy the first few weeks on a ketogenic diet. Patience is important when adopting a ketogenic diet. In only a few days, you'll start to see weight loss results, which is the best reason to stick to the diet. However, the cravings, mood swings, headaches, and other side effects that can arise within the first few weeks of adopting the keto diet can make it difficult for beginners to adjust to the diet. To make the process easier, seek the advice of a dietitian or nutritionist.